Hard to say this, but I miss you. You always enter my thoughts. Thinking about the day you left is really pissing me off. I tried to keep you close, but everything's what I lost. And to be honest, I hate the fact that our paths always cross. Just a small town, what I should have expected. Now I'm watching you with him, it kinda looks to perfection. I'm sitting here alone, excuse me for my jealous impression. I say I'm moving on, but hardly all this shit is depressing. I'm going crazy, my friends are begging, come out. Funny when I'm drinking that your name is first in my mouth. Hard to fall for someone new, it's you I'm thinking about. Wish that I could have you back, but you ain't leaving them now. You're falling in love, well I'm just losing more on myself. Wonder if our picture still is sitting up on your shelf. Thinking about us, I just can't get out of this hell. Matter of fact, I'm calling now, I gotta work this all out. Well I'm drinking. One more shot and I'll probably be calling you. Sitting over here thinking, what goes up comes down, so I guess I'm just falling for you. Soon enough I'll just crash. This all happened so fast. I wish this could all change, but nothing good ever lasts. Somebody please catch me, 'cause I can't catch myself. Guess you're happy, hardly ever answer your phone. Only hear you saying leave a message after the tone. Maybe I should take the hint and just go leave you alone. I'm stuck on my own, feel as if I'm turning to stone. Losing my trust, say it doesn't hurt but it does. Remember everything you said and that's what's making this tough. 'Cause now I see I'm getting all of your attention and love, but steady falling. You used to be there picking me up, but now that's over. Seems you do whatever you like. Know that if we talked again it'd probably turn to a fight. It's never gonna work, but stupid me is thinking it might. It's probably why I'm drinking, calling up your phone every night. Wasting my life, trying to find a way into yours. These doors are closing, but I'm searching for something that's more. Something that over time isn't gonna turn into war. 'Cause I won't do this all again, I can't take anymore. I just wanna go back, save all the love that we had. 'Cause honestly I thought that you were the one that would last. 'Cause I was wrong, 'cause now you're a piece of my past. It's taking everything inside me to hold back the facts. See I'm spilling it all, wish you would answer my calls. I drink and drink and drink and drink till I'm ready to fall. You took everything, and now I feel I'm 3 feet tall. Hope you're happy, but I'ma keep on spilling it all. Well I'm drinking. One more shot and I'll probably be calling you. Sitting over here thinking, what goes up comes down, so I guess I'm just falling for you. Soon enough I'll just crash. This all happened so fast. I wish this could all change, but nothing good ever lasts. Somebody please catch me, 'cause I can't catch myself.